My name is Jonathan Size. I'm from Foster Wilson Architects and I'm currently sat in this iconic Grade 2 style listed building. So we did a large-scale renovation of the front of house areas and the auditorium, taking the scheme back to its original 1920s colour scheme, as well as changing seats, bars, etc. right the way through the venue. The problem really we had here was finding a product that would enable us to cover the multi-core route which runs from the orchestra bit, which is at the front, right the way to the back, which is where the control rooms and the control desks are. Historically the cabling had just been run across the walls, so we needed to hide it and have a cover that would cover that. So we needed a product that was aesthetically pleasing, as well as also meeting the anti-slip resistance that we need on a sloping floor. We also wanted something that would meet the manual handling requirements, so very light. Often the covers are removed on a daily basis. And finally, it also needed to meet the loading levels. We have quite a heavy loadings with standing audiences, as well as cherry pickers and access equipment driving over them. Because of the nature of the job, where the covers have to thread their way through the seating, some of the covers had to be custom made. Some of them were stock because of some of the straight runs, but by the nature of the job there was quite a lot of bespoke elements. Our experience with working with the Fibrelite technical team was very good. It was quite a tricky project, needed a lot of coordination with site, a lot of quite complicated site surveys in order that they would fit with the seating manufacturer, so generally it was very good. The reason we specified Fibrelite over alternatives is we couldn't find any alternatives. The access panels needed to be strong enough and light enough. Often we could find a product that could do sort of one or two of the criteria, as in lightweight and looked right, but wouldn't meet the loadings, or it would be very heavy and meet some of the other requirements. So it was the only one that really got all three.